everyone, my name is Bahar. I'm certified career coach, corporate trainer and global marketing expert. I'm also the speaker for Blue Ocean Women Leadership Development 3rd Virtual Conference on International Women's Day 2022. Ocean Women Leadership Development is an amazing initiative for women by women. I am so excited to be a part of this cause. Big thanks to Blue Ocean Academy for raising the bar and inviting me on board to share my experience with everyone. This year, Blue Ocean Leadership Development is focused on women and entrepreneurship, fostering equality and growth. Closing gender gap and empowering women in the society should be one of our main priorities in today's volatile economy. We all know how important women empowerment is. When women are empowered, the society is empowered. Come, let us join hands together and walk this transformation journey together. Without you, we are not powerful enough. You need to join us. Be a leader in your own world. See you on March 8, 2022. Thank you.